Most practices start filming their own videos and end up hiring someone within a few months. And it's not because they couldn't figure it out for themselves. It's because they figured out how much there actually is to know. And I get it. On the surface, it seems simple. You've got a smartphone, it shoots 4K. How hard can it be? The reality is you have to understand lighting. Not just how to turn lights on, but actually understand how lights behave on camera, why your office fluorescents make everyone look terrible, and what to do about it. You have to understand audio, which mics to use in which environments, how to position it, how to deal with background noise from an HVAC system or some busy waiting room. You have to understand the framing, the eye level, headroom, how close or how far it should be depending on what you're filming. You have to know what you're filming before you film it and what the video is actually about, who's it for, and where you're going to be posting it, because all of that changes how you're going to set up the shot. Then after the shoot, you got to edit it. Cut it down, color it, and add captions, export it in the right format for the right platform. Then you have to do it again next week, and the week after that, or maybe the next day. And ideally, what you want to do is post every single day to get traction. None of that is impossible to learn, but you're also running a practice at the same time. You've got patients, you got staff, you got insurance, operations, and hundreds of things pulling you left and right every single day. So usually what ends up happening is they try it, they put in the effort, they look at it, and then they look at what it actually costs them in time and energy, and then they make a call to a video production company. And the thing about it, hiring someone isn't giving up necessarily. It's just an honest look at where your time is best spent.